Where'd you put your phone?
It's right here.
We need the instructions. Okay, hey guys, it's Cherry Cola Fox here, and today we're going to be making purple slime. The glue is in the bowl. We are making slime, but I'm excited.
Okay, so we need a cup and a half of
Water mixed with borax. Okay, so we have the glue in the bowl, and
Can we put the water in the bowl?
yeah, I think so. Let's just mix the water.
Okay, you gotta mix the water and the glue together first.
Yeah, and that's what the instructions say.
Okay.
We're following instructions.
You mix it together.
Where's the spoon? You didn't get a spoon. Well, that's my fault. Okay. Spoon. Okay, hold on. Okay. Gonna mix the glue around in the water. Just mix it up a little bit. Okay. Just boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 pa, 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 pa. I am so weird. Are we getting ready for the borax? Hopefully we didn't put too much because I don't want my slime to end up like mixy, like Jello, like my last slime did, which I didn't video. Oh, hey, you took my slime. My glue.
And then we put it.
I don't need to mix it yet. We put the borax in and then we mix it. I don't want it to end up like Jello. I want it to be stretchable, squishable, and pokeable. Please.
There you go. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, that's forming fast. Ew. It doesn't smell like anything. Why did I say ew? It smells. Ew, look at it. I think we put too much borax. We need more.
We did. We put exactly the right amount.
We need more water to water down the borax. Ew.
You want more water?
Yes. That's not enough.
Keep mixing.
The slime is formed, but that's not enough water. We need to water down the borax too.
You gotta keep mixing.
The slime is formed. You're blocking the camera with your hand. There's glue on the counter. Why are you leaving the water running? That's wasting water.
I think you just made a big mess.
Yeah. This slime, alright, but it's like weird. Okay, hold on. We're having slime difficulties over here. Put more water in it so you can water down all the grossness on it. It's done forming. You don't need to stir it anymore.
Okay.
Just put more water in. Just wash it. Washing slime is a good idea, people. We need to put the slime in a separate bowl and mix it. I just dumped out a piece of slime. But that's okay. Okay, can I have my slime now? Please. Please. Slime. It's washed out. It's just like the clear parts turn white. Can I see my slime? It's got like crystals in it. Ew. What have we done? We put too much borax in it.
I don't think so.
Yes, we did. It's not how I wanted it to be. It's just gross. It's not how slime is supposed to be. Ew. I can't even stretch it. Don't do this ever. I give up. Ugh. I'm so bad at making slime. So we just wasted money on glue for no reason. Okay. Bye.